Hello students, once again I am with you students. So students, today we are going to discuss about power sharing. And students, today we will discuss as a summary of this lesson. Actually your lesson power sharing, we are discussing already many things about that, but on this video we will discuss main thing as a summary. That means in here we will try to understand what is the main object, what is main fact. In last video we will discuss some countries, for example you can say Sri Lanka and some other country also, what was the position to their related to the power sharing and what has been result after their as a Brussels also you can say. So students, but today we will try to understand how can you say it is the best system of power sharing. Actually in power sharing our main system is divided under two types, which is horizontal form and second is the vertical form. And horizontal form, which you can say equal parallel power has been given to main institution, large institution you can say, which is legislature first, second executive and third judiciary. In your country legislature, which have power to make a rule, and executive which try to execute these rules regulation in whole country, in our country, and judiciary who try to manage all type of dispute and try to take a decision what should be result, what should be, which person is guilty and which is not guilty in any matter. So students, but other form it's not possible. One person is everything. They try to decide any decision, but there in here power sharing three form. All groups, all forms, all institutions have a separate and importance power. So in other also you can say it is the horizontal and second vertical dividation form also has been given in our country, which is center, state and municipal you can say. Central that means central government, state that means state government, and municipal as a local government also you can say. In local government students, we can say for example as a or MLA, MLC and municipal corporation related, Nagar Palika like that you can say. So students, under this lesson we will discuss many things about that power sharing, how power sharing is the good and what is the role of power sharing in the legislature as a executive and judiciary, and democratic system how can make it is the best, and horizontal and vertical form also. So students, in here important fact, we also always should be know this form never can oppose by other form. That means monarchs, you know before Britishers what was the position to the our country, and dictatorship also you know many countries before time you had read already in class 9 many places, Louis XVI like that, many other places also. So students, dictatorship, and in Pakistan what's happened already you know about General Pervez Musharraf. He has taken rule in favor of yourself, but what has been last result, it was not good. So students, power sharing, which is most form of our government, especially it is a democratic system. So students, this is the best form of the government. So students, this is the last video of this chapter. Thank you very much students.